Bayraktar TB2, Heron MK2, Bangladesh, India. Country of origin, Turkey. Israel. Type, male UCAV unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Male UAV surveillance reconnaissance. Size, length, wingspan. Length 6.5 meters, wingspan 12 meters, length 8.5 meters, wingspan 16.6 meters. Payload capacity 150 kilograms, 250 kilograms. Stealth capability, not true stealth but low radar signature, limited. Not stealth, mainly surveillance UAV. Max altitude service ceiling 25,000 feet, 7,600 to 8,200 meters, watch 10,000 meters, 32,800 feet. Max speed 220 kilometers per hour, 207 kilometers per hour. Endurance flight time 20 to 27 plus hours, up to flush to 52 hours.